To remove the solenoid lock assembly, first remove the access panel and the fan duct. Disconnect the solenoid lock connector from the motherboard. Detach the single Torx 15 security screw that secures the solenoid lock assembly to the rear of the unit. Note, you will need a screw bit with a hollow tip to remove the security screw. Remove the solenoid lock assembly from the unit. There are 4 tabs on the solenoid lock that fit into slots on the rear of the chassis. To replace the solenoid lock assembly, align the 2 outer tabs on the lock into their slots, then press the other tabs into place. Replace the Torx 15 security screw to secure the lock to the unit. Reconnect the solenoid lock connector to the motherboard.